There's one last major topic we're going to cover in this application, and this is probably the most important one out of everything we're doing because it's something that's going to be really, really surprising when you go to deploy your first application. Now, we already have deployed an application, but that had all static data. Nothing was really changing in it. But this one, well, obviously we can change a lot of data inside of here. So I'm going to build my production locally, and I'm going to run it as though it were in production mode. So I'm going to kind of simulate a deployment on my local machine. Let me show you how you can do that yourself if you want to. To build your project for production, stop your running server, and we'll do a npm run build. We'll see a bunch of text go by, then after about 10 or 20 seconds or so, we'll get a big print up. And it's going to list out some of the different routes that exist inside of our application. Then I'm going to start up my server in production mode by running npm run start. Notice the start here, it's not dev. So that's going to start my project in production mode. Now let's go over to the browser and just see if everything is still working as intended. I'm going to go and try to create a new snippet. I'm going to enter in a new snippet, all capitals, so I can't miss it. And I'll click on create. And hey, there it is right there. All right. What am I going so crazy about, right? Well, here comes the really weird part. Here's something that's really going to surprise you when you deploy your application to production. I'm going to refresh the page and watch what happens to a new snippet. Goodbye. Totally gone. Yeah, that's really, really surprising. Where did it go? I can refresh this thing as many times as I want, and I just don't see it come back. So that is the big surprise. When you start running your application in production mode, the behavior of your application changes in a very significant way. We're going to spend the next couple of videos to understand exactly why that is, because this is a very surprising topic that everybody runs into with Next. And I really want you to understand exactly what is happening to make our application behave differently.